Did you ever learn a lesson from somebody speaking sarcastically? Well, I'm going to give it a shot, so stay tuned. Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate, we lead, and we inspire. And I read an article which clearly is said in sarcasm by a gentleman named Kyle Chastain. I loved it. I thought I'd share it with you. And let's get the common sense factor working in a positive direction. The title of the article is How I Effortlessly Built My Dream Life in a Week. Once again, big shout out to Kyle Chastain, Chastain. It's so easy, anyone can do it. A lot of people complain about how hard life is, and I say, that's nonsense. Life is easy and anyone can be awesome at it. So while you're out there stressing over finding your passion, I'm over here living the dream. But lucky for you, I'm willing to teach you everything I did to get where I am because I have it all figured out. Are you prepared to learn, grasshopper? All you need to do is adopt the following 3 strategies and you'll be off to the life of your dreams. Here we go. I complain to everyone, especially on social media. Complaining gets your creative juices flowing and it puts you in the right mindset to have a productive day. I recommend you take 20 minutes in your morning routine to vent about everything wrong with your life and in the world. Once you have a solid picture of everything wrong with your life for today, go on social media and post about it. If you're comfortable with it, post a video of yourself talking about how hard life is. People will love you for your unfiltered honesty and they'll love hearing you complain every day. Everyone will comment about how brave you are. Nobody will block you or unfollow you. Whatever you do, don't invest in yourself. Sure, practice self-care for days on end, but don't try to learn a profitable new skill because it's a waste of time. Your struggles are more important than the impact you could have on the world. Complain every day and success will soon follow. I read a lot of studies but never did anything with them. Since you're aiming for the good life, make sure to stay on top of all of the latest studies about how to live. Read all the latest personal development life hacks from places like Forbes, Inc., and the Huffington Post. Now, here's the most important part. Don't ever take action on what you learn. All you need is the information. People will respect you for your trivial knowledge. When people ask for your advice, you can say, according to one study I read, and then state an interesting fact. And if you read enough studies, you can become a personal development guru and perhaps get a book deal where you write about summarizing all of the latest studies. I quit when things got hard or when I got bored. If you want to have an awesome life, make sure you never stick with one goal for too long. You want to try as many things as possible. There's a lot of talk on the internet these days about discipline and consistency. But the truth is, all of that stuff is made up to sell books. When you get tired of trying to or get bored with what you're doing, you should quit and find something else. Success should come easily. You should love every minute you're pursuing your goals. Ultimately, if you don't love everything you do all the time, you'll never have success. I know it's hard to believe, but it's true. Think about Steve Jobs or Elon Musk. They're legendary entrepreneurs that everyone should study, both of them more to discover their secrets. Everything they touched turned to gold, and they found success with little or no opposition. You don't need to be consistent or work hard, so skip around until you find something you love, and you'll have instant success. When it comes to finding success in your domain, I don't understand what has everybody in such a tizzy. All you need to do to find success is to show up every day for a week, and people will gladly buy what you're selling. Everybody wants you to have success. After about a week of complaining, reading studies, and jumping from goal to goal, you should have success. Remember, you're special. Life is easy, and everyone is rooting for you. Now, if you'll excuse me, I need to post something about how hard it is to make money as a writer. And that's the end of the article by Kyle Chastain. Big shout out for that sarcastic bit of literature. And if you saw some truth in there, well, that's a good thing. All right, that's a good thing, because a lot of times, and a lot of truth is said in sarcasm, truth is said in jest. Maybe that will jolt you to move in the direction that you need to move. And one thing that's absolutely certain is don't ration your passion, fashion your passion. I'm Eli's dad.